Well, it's Watch Gang Black Tier time. Yeah, you're either here because you like to share in the excitement of finding out what the surprise package is, or you just like car crashes. Either way, I'm glad you're here. Let's check it out. Yeah, so I do the quarterly plan of Watch Gang Black Tier, so $99 every 3 months. Okay, was there a little hint there? I can't figure it out by that. All right, we got a black outer sleeve. Oh, there it is, Blackwell. All right, so you've got, looks like a warranty card in here. Can't get it out. International guarantee. That's a pretty cool little pouch. Feels like there's a little watch pillow in there or something. See, is that branded? Yeah, right there. The excitement. Oh, what's in there? Could it be a watch? Oh, wow. I haven't got a chronograph from them before. Okay, this is completely different. Whoa, look at that case shape. Okay, how many are here for the car crash or how many are here for the surprise? Let me know in the comments. Look at that, kind of a spider's web or something there, huh? Let's take the plastic off and see. You ready? That was quiet. All right, let's get it off the pillow here. Ooh, that Milanese bracelet is just silky smooth. Man, I bet that feels nice on. I like that. I gotta say right off the bat, this is not my style of watch, so I'm just giving you my honest take on what I see here. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what's going on with this. So you got Blackwell printed at the top and underneath the 12, and again, it looks to be like a spider web motif on the dial. You got a date complication at the 6, and I guess it's not a chronograph because it appears to be two 24-hour subdials, so I guess it's just a dual time. This one kind of perplexes me. Cool little bucket shape case, huh? But I gotta say, this watch is really not my taste. I think I may have seen my first true car crash here on the Watch Gang unboxings. Ooh, look at that. It's got a nice reflection on the... That is the only time you can see the dial, though. Because in normal mode, it's just... There's no legibility with that handset. All right, and we've got a signed crown. Then on the case back, we've got Guggen and all stainless steel, 10 ATM water resistant. It says Project 10128 Blackwell, Japan movement. And then you see, too, this Milanese style bracelet is integrated with the case, so there's no swapping out to another band. You see, that's basically the lug there in the center. Beautiful bracelet, though. And you see you got the Blackwell signature on the brushed finish on the clasp. And then this is your basic size, easy to size as you go. You just lift that lever there and slide it wherever you need because the back locks in like that. Let's see what's going on with the measurements. Got a case of 44 millimeters. The lug to lug is going to be a difficult measurement, but it is essentially 38.1. As you can see, drops down immediately. 20 millimeter lug width or at least the bandwidth, because again, there are no lugs essentially. And you got a case thickness of 13 millimeters. You can see that domed crystal. Single dome. That's pretty cool there, huh? Cool distortion. So let's see what's going on with this movement, because honestly, I'm a little confused. There might be a little bit of user error going on here, but at the same time, there were no instructions. The one time where you want instructions in there, huh? All right, what does this pusher do, if anything? It is going backwards. So I can only adjust this left subdial. Okay, there we go. So that's what it is. This is a 24-hour subdial in relation to the handset time, and then this would be a second 24-hour. So this one should slave to this handset, so let's move that. There we go. Okay, so we figured it out. That was a little tougher than it should have been, I think, right? Well, let's try this Blackwell Guggen on, and today I'm wearing the Swiss watch company Arc. This just came out. Check out this video here. This is just an awesome piece. Titanium, so light, nice comfortable strap. I mean, this is just a beauty of a watch. Very nice. All right, there it is on my 8-inch wrist, and I gotta say, this bracelet is very comfy. Man, I love that mesh. It's got a great buttery feel to it, just so soft and silky. Look at that, all reflections you're picking up on that dome crystal as well. So, man, it's an interesting piece, huh? Again, not my cup of tea. It's actually kind of like a subscription buzzkill for me. I mean, could be like a cancellation piece, really. But you know, I mean, I'm sure somebody likes this. It's decent. It's just really too far off of my style cues. So, what do you think? Are you a Guggenheim fan to where maybe this piece kind of like, speaks to you, or it's kind of growing on me a little as it sits on my wrist. But it's just the legibility is pretty poor unless you get the light hitting it just like I'm doing here intentionally, so you can see the handset and the numbers. Otherwise, the legibility is pretty poor with that polish, the high polish on the blue. And then just the subdials, I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. I love a dual time, but to have basically a day-night subdial, which is what your 24-hour subdial is over here, since it's slave to the handset, and then another city. I mean, I can think of more creative ways to show that off. But again, I'm sure somebody digs this, right? Is it you? Let me know. Till next time, I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.